Guys, today we are back with a video, and today I have fireworks going outside. It is awesome, like tons, but I can't show you because I can't see them. So I'm going to be showing you I have. Just not loud. Flowers.
I can't remember what we bought, how much money we have. We should probably, I think, every time. I'm pretty sure that's it. So we're going to do that. Gather some money.
Also, add boots. I have getting sick lately if I eat too much. But I keep coughing. So, if you guys see me cough, that means I just cough for some reason. And it's probably because I get sick a lot if I eat too much. Even if I eat something with a lot of sugar, I just cough. So, that is what's happening today. So.